This fella right here wants to compete in everything. He wants to compete in everything. That you better give me at least 8.
8.
I need at least 8.
8.
8 reps. They said that's too easy. You better give me at least 8, bro. He's trying to race me. Now he's trying to bench press me. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. I'll take it. I'll take it. Come on. Chat, if they go over 15, I'll go. If they don't hit over 15, I ain't going. Hey, these are 20s?
Yes.
This is 45? 45 pounds? How many pounds is that?
Yes.
Huh? It's 45? Is it 45 or 55? Okay. Huh? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Give me some more.
Easy. 13. You got that. Come on, you got another one. You got another one. 14. Come on, get it up. Get it up. Give it up.
Last one. Bro, how many are you gonna push? Up to 100.
How much? 100?
How many?
100?
How many push-ups you are going to
It
do?
mean-
Just gonna to hit up to 100. How many?
He don't know what you're saying.
Come on.
1,
One.
2, 3,
Come on.
4, 5.
Come on. 5.
Huh? Let's do it. Everybody want to challenge me to everything, bro. They don't want me to just come in here and just vibe. 1, 2, 3, all the way up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fully extend. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Too easy. Too easy. Hey, this look like Nigerian National Hall. It's like flames. 1, 2, all the way up. 3, 4, 5, 6. That boy short stroking.
Come on. Let's go! How many? Come on. Go pen again.
How many was that? Y'all want me to go? Yeah, I'll go.
Too easy.
Go easy, bro.
Too easy.
Let's finish.
Let's go.
Yes. I'm counting that too. That's
Nice.
3, come on. 4, come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's
Too
8.
easy.
That's 9.
Come on.
2, come on. 3. Give me 20. Give me last time. 5, 6,
Let's go. Too easy. Let's go.
Low pump.
That's everybody.
Tired. Okay, okay. Hello, so good to meet you. Okay, okay.
Let's get it.
Hey, who has my phone though? Hey, Billy, you got my phone? Somebody got it. Somebody got it.
You said W's in the chat. What do you mean?
W's in the chat. What do I mean? It means like a win, victory,
Victory.
win, success.
W is win.
Yeah,
My man.
it means
I
things
love
are
that.
going good.
Every time I hear that,
Thank you, bro.
every time I hear that, it's inspiring.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
W's in the chat.
Thank you, bro. For love. Let me. Easy. Easy. Yeah. 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 Love. Fire, bro. Fire.
This gonna try. This gonna try.
I'll spot. Hands even, hands even, hands even, hands even. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Over, over. Go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. Brother, 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 listen, wait. Wait, wait, wait. Don't worry, he will do it, he will do it. He'll do it? Alright. Hold on. Wait, 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 wait. Let's do it. Yeah. Matter of fact, let me come up here.
Okay, yeah. I'm ready. I'm ready.
No, over, 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 over. Right here, right here. That's it. Leave it.
Push. Kufuatana hivi. Yerekanye kila siku.
Hold on, hold on. Rest, rest, rest. Put it up. Rest it, rest it. Rest it, rest it, rest it, rest it, rest it, rest it.
No problem.
Rest it, rest it, rest it. Come up, come up.
Let's remove one. Let's remove one. Let's remove one. They can fill out.
He got it. I just needed to spot him. Chat, this man to the right is wilding out. About to kill this dude. Come on.
We should give him a small bar, maybe.
Easy. 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 Yeah. He could have done the other one. You could have done the other. Huh?
100 this one.
Huh? Squat?
Yeah.
Bet.
Bakora squat here.
Y'all go over there. We'll meet y'all over there. Y'all go over there. Y'all go over there. Y'all go over there. Y'all go. Good? Just vibe, just vibe, just vibe. Okay. Just vibe. All right, what we got next? What you want to do next? No boxing? We need somebody to hold the mitts, though.
Go to the back.
Can I lift him?
Like this. Can you lift him?
Yeah.
This way, there is the boxing bag.
Huh?
This side, there is the boxing bag.
No boxing coach?
It is the bag, but also we have the bag.
Okay.
It's here.
Yeah, exactly.
I probably understand. I just wanted to give my friend also some. And also have words with you guys.
Let's do something else with the disability.
Yeah, squat. Come.
No, next thing, not squat.
Something that is not squat.
Not squat. Let's do pictures, let's do videos
Yes.
with the group. I want to do a video and say disability is not inability. I want to do a video with your team. Bring your team over.
Go in the mugakora na kobashoboye.
I left my phone again.
I can give them
You got it? Okay.
I can give them a bit of movement on the floor and
I don't know. Thank you, bro.
when we have a picture here. Can you back up a little bit? So, no kuvuga ngo tugiye gukora ni ukuvuga ngo ikintu ugiye gukora ugiye kuvuga ngo disability is not inability nyine turaza kubisubiramo nyine disability is not inability kuko turabisubiramo icyarimwe ndabara 1 2 3.
No, let's do it slow. We got to do it with swag. Disability is not inability. At that same, not too fast. Disability is not inability.
Can you repeat it? Disability.
Disability is not inability.
Just like that, but a little slower. Three, 2, 1. Disability is not inability. One more. Almost. Disability, 3, 2, 1. Disability is not inability. Love. Hey, y'all, thanks for having me, bro. Love, for sure. Love. 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 Hey, great job, bro. Great job. Love, bro. Love. Bet. Thank you.
Chairman, W is on the chart.
W's in the
Winning
chat.
is not the
We
thing.
here.
My man.
Victory. Love. Thank you. Let's do it. Huh?
We can take a picture. Can you cut 2 of us?
Let's do it. Don't grab me. Just don't grab me. Just don't grab me though. Just don't grab me. Let me get the phone. Yeah.
Phone is here.
Yes, we are.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right, Ashton, I love you.
Love you too, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you.
W is on the chart.
No, I'm good. Love.
Winning, brother, winning.
Winning.
Okay. Let me have a last picture with you as a team with our India friend. Where is he? Wait, your wife first. Wait, where is our guest? Yes, it's for us. Please don't interrupt. Please. Yes. So let's have this. Let's do this. Please be welcome.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you, bro.
Welcome.
Love, hey, thanks for having us, bro. God bless you, bro. Thank you, bro.
One Bible verse.
One Bible verse. Romans 3:23. Read it out for me. For all have sinned and came short of the glory of God.
He's ready to take you back.
I flew all the way from Cameroon because I missed you to come here.
Cameroon.
Yeah. So
Cameroon flags in the chat.
Come on, man.
I hope you're not lying, bro.
No, I'm serious. I'm a Cameroonian. He knows.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's do the picture.
All right. Have you taken a photo?
Taking a photo.
Okay. Thank you.
Good. Let's go. Get him in the car.
Just one, two. Let's talk.
Did you get one? We got one already?
I took one already.
It's good? It's good? Okay.
Let's go. Quick.
Good ain't boy? Okay. Oh, hands cold, though. Hands cold. Hands cold. Hey, look. Love, bro.
Listen, keep doing a good thing, man.
Thank you, bro.
I'm happy that you visited Rwanda.
Thank you, bro.
That's the best country I think I've ever seen. Nice to see you, man.
Thank you, bro. Love. Come on. Thank you, bro. Love. God bless you, bro. God bless you.
Last one. That's the last photo, guys.
Yo, it's small too. Small.
Yes. Small. Hold on, right here. Come down right here. Tall guy. Come down a little bit, bro. Come down right here. Love, brother. Love. Y'all stay up, bro. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God.
Come back to Rwanda.